Good morning everybody and welcome to my blog spot. I'm Vince Colley from Measure Up Personal Training, and today I'm talking to Michael Fernandez. Hello Michael.
Hey Vince.
I got that right, mate, didn't I?
Yes, that's correct.
Beautiful. Now Michael is a physio. He's one of the partners up here in All Sports, and I use Michael exclusively with my clients, and I have to say he does a fantastic job. And I think, Michael, what we're trying to get across to people is the importance of addressing problems throughout the body rather than letting them go, because I know a lot of people, and I've had clients who have got to you who they'll have a niggle and it keeps going, and it's so important to address these things. I think you'd agree.
Yeah, definitely. And the number of patients that we'll get in that when you're sort of asking them the questions when their first session,
that camera,
that you know, they'll have a niggle that sort of persists for a period of time, and generally it's just the straw that breaks the camel's back. You know, particularly with a lot of office workers with, you know, with necks and backs and shoulders. And, you know, the most frustrating thing I think you'd find from your point, Vince, is you might have a client for, you know, a period of time, they're going really well with their training, they're sort of halfway to their goal, and then they have an injury that might keep them out of their training or deload them for up to several weeks, which can really put a bit of a hamper on, and you have to backtrack. So, you know, sort of nipping things in the butt and almost like a little screening before you sort of get up and going can sort of save you a lot of time and stress in the long run. So
absolutely, and people can say the great thing about Michael, and what I try to do is whenever my clients first come to see Michael, I come along as well so that we're all on the same page. And the great thing about this bloke is he really talks people through everything. He'll pull out models and show them exactly what's going on and ensure that they're doing their recovery exercises correctly. And I think it's a great combination, isn't it, that we work together, because at the end of the day I'm a personal trainer and Michael's a specialist when it comes to physio work, and by working together we always generally get the best outcome, don't we? Because we've had a number of clients who've had niggles and stuff, and we've addressed them correctly. And what Michael will do is he'll let me know what I can and can't do, because as I said, I'm a personal trainer, and this is the boy we come to when we have those sorts of problems to do with the body. And I think we get pretty bloody good results, don't we? Yeah,
and so I guess it's the same sort of setup that any, you know, professional football team will have, in terms of they'll have their strength and conditioning coach, they'll have the rehab, and the coordination between the two is imperative to get, you know, an athlete back onto the park. And I guess, you know, in terms of what we try and do here is try and give it, you know, professional service as if you're an elite athlete, or, you know, someone that's sitting behind a desk for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So, and having that communication, I guess, will sort of make your rehab a bit smoother, and you know, saves you having to transfer messages from, you know, from the physio to your trainer. That can also, you know, sometimes make things not sort of go on the right path for you. So
that's it. And look, mate, you know, you've seen how I've operated with my clients, and you've seen how we've had some clients that have had injuries before I've started training them, and then you've seen how through what you've said we can and can't do, the results we've been getting. I think I'm onto something.
And you know, simply from a few of those patients that have come in, they've had a niggle that's been there for a period of time, and just before they sort of, you know, want to, you know, sort of really kick on with their training, it's, you know, simply some of the sessions has been like more of a screening tool, saying, listen, you've had this injury, you've had this rotator cuff injury in the past, you know, you're vulnerable for this, this and this if you don't address it properly, and educating the patient in terms of this is what you should be doing at home, this is what you should be avoiding, you know. And then obviously you've got that awareness that you can carry through and reinforce with them when they're doing the training, you know? So, and that can make a big difference. And you know, for people with their backs, that, you know, they shouldn't be sitting down for long periods of time. So all those little bits and pieces and make a big difference.
Absolutely, and that's the importance with the stretching and stuff, as I said, sitting down a long time. And a lot of my stretches, and what we're going to do, folks, since we started the video blogging, we're going to give Michael the full Measure Up personal training experience. So he's going to come and have a workout with me as well.
Should be interesting.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
No behind the scenes.
But the thing is, what I've got to try and reinforce to people though is it's so important is the stretching and addressing any niggles you may have before they become major issues.
Yeah, and often it may be simply, you know, sort of a group of exercises that you do your session with Vince, he runs you, and then there's a, you know, simple set of exercises that you do is almost your, what we call like your prehab drills, like your injury prevention drills, and you may maintain them a few times during the week, and that's you're doing, you know, your bit to actually sort of prevent those little things that can hamper your progress.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now give yourself a plug, mate. Let everyone know where you are.
Well, we're at All Sports Physiotherapy Jindalee here, so it's on Goggs Road, and it's just at the Christie's Homemaker Centre. So, and there's several physiotherapists here that will help with any issues that you do have. So, and we've looked after several sporting teams, and so have experience at all levels. So, any concerns, just give us a buzz.
And can I say, guys, this is the only place I come or send clients to, and I can personally recommend Michael. He does a fantastic job. And until after our workout, we have another chat. This is Vince signing off, and Michael.
Thanks very much. Cheers.
Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Until next time, bye for now.